Hey guys, welcome back to Living Gratefully. Today I'm gonna clean and decorate for fall. I'm a little bit behind schedule. I know a lot of people have already decorated for fall and are already thinking about decorating for Christmas, but we still have all of November, so I'm not too late. Okay, so let's get started.
Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there.
Okay guys, I wiped the counters and vacuumed in the kitchen. The dining room is already pretty clean, and then the living room is pretty clean too. And so I will just get this stuff going to decorate for fall. I basically use some stuff on the front porch, some stuff in the living room, dining room, and kitchen. And when the kids were little, I used to decorate for every season, and I would put it in the bathrooms and everything. But now I just basically do the main living areas, and so that's what we're gonna do today. Let's get started.
Let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. Beyond the horizon. Beyond the horizon. I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. Beyond there is more in life that I want. Now I wanna embrace life, you and I side by side, knowing there is more in life that I want.
Hope you're doing well. I know it's been a while, but you're still in my head. I wonder if you think about me now and then, like I do right now about you. I wish it didn't have to end, but life is what it is and I will try to mend. Though I'm kinda hoping that you feel the same as I do right now, right now. Tell me now, cause I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I just wanna be right next to you. Even though I try to get you off my mind, you know that I'm thinking about you all the time. Like when we were driving in our car, looking at the stars, made us stop at every bar we found. I can see us like a movie in my head. I only wish I didn't have to watch the end. I try to focus on a different part, like when you play guitar, always singing me that song from Friends. How it's supposed to be, cause breaking up with you has got the best of me. I just wanna live inside my memories, so I'll be with you, with you. I used to wake up with you by my side, and I would hold you close, look into your eyes. I used to wake up with you by my side, and I would hold you close, close. Tell me now, cause I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I just wanna be right next to you. Even though I try to get you off my mind, you know that I'm thinking about you all the time. Like when we were driving in our car, looking at the stars, made us stop at every bar we found. I can see us like a movie in my head. I only wish I didn't have to watch the end. I try to focus on a different part, like when you play guitar, always singing me that song from Friends. Ooh. Hope you're doing well. I know it's been a while, but you're still in my head. I wonder if you think about me now and then, like I do right now about you. Even though I try to get you off my mind, you know that I'm thinking about you all the time. Like when we were driving in our car, looking at the stars, made us stop at every bar we found. I can see us like a movie in my head. I only wish I didn't have to watch the end. I try to focus on a different part, like when you play guitar, always singing me that song from Friends.
Faster in a minute. I'm high on slow dancing with you. 1, 2, 3, keep it going, last forever. All blacked out, then flying with you. I don't care that my mind's gone insane and my heart will burst into flames. No, I don't care about the heartache and pain, just don't let the memories fade. wilder. Don't care if I get out alive. You feel that beat getting harder, floating on it. We're rebels, at least for tonight. I don't care that my mind's gone insane and my heart will burst into flames. No, I don't care about the heartache and pain. Just don't let the memories fade. We know we are lost, in love with a loss, but heart drums the mind, so we'll win anyway. Yeah, we own the sun, naive, wild and drunk. Oh, 'cause it's all when I'm with you, I'm with you. I'm with you. We know we are lost, in love with the lust, but heart drums the mind, so we'll win anyway. Yeah, we own the sun, naive, wild and drunk. Oh, 'cause it's all when I'm with you, I'm with you.
Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone.
Okay, y'all, thanks for watching me clean and decorate for fall. I am so glad that it is decorated now so we can enjoy it. This is my favorite time of year to decorate. I love the colors, and I actually wish now that I had done it sooner, but I hope you enjoyed it. And I know that my decorations are not like super trendy, but my main thing is that I love my gifts and the history that I've collected over the years, and I also love the colors, just bright, vibrant oranges and yellows. It's just beautiful to me. So I hope you enjoyed it, and please hit that like button if you did, and also please subscribe if you're new. We'll see you next time. Bye.